In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the air boosters on your Sundance 880 series hot tub. Your spa has 5 air controls along the top side that push extra air into the jets and boost your massage. With the jets running, turn the control clockwise to add more air to that seat. And when you're ready to lessen the effect, turn it counterclockwise to shut it off. We recommend using the air boosters when you really want them. In colder weather, leaving all the controls on can cool the water faster than usual. If you crank them all the way, the water can get agitated like a washing machine, creating extra bubbles. It's a funny fact, but something to keep in mind when soaking. Now you're ready to use your air boosters and get the perfect massage every time. For more setup tips and features, be sure to explore the other Sundance tutorials from The Great Escape. See you next time.